My name's Lucas, and 4 years ago, I started an auto detailing business in North Vancouver, BC, Canada, and I rank number one on Google for my area for my auto detailing business. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's going to be pretty raw, but I'm going to go into details on everything. This is going to be a part two to the video series, and the first one was going over how to rank one in the Google business listing, and of course, I do that as well. If you want to see that video first, it is kind of the preface to this video. It's going to be at the very top. I suggest watching that one first, because in this video, I might refer to a couple things from that video. They're both pretty valuable, so I think you'll learn a lot. I recommend taking out a pen and a notepad. Favorite pen, of course, can't forget that. And enjoy the video. There's going to be a lot of little tidbits. Feel free to skip around, but you might miss some things if you do. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as I possibly can. Thanks a lot and enjoy the video. So this is like the in-depth search console that we just saw. Like this is the light version and this is the full version. So we can see the overview here. We're just gonna skip all this stuff. I know it might not make sense if you don't really haven't really seen this type of stuff before, but I'll make it super simple. Total impressions means they scrolled past your website or they saw your website on Google. It could be anywhere on Google, but they may not have clicked. And then obviously clicks are clicks. Average CTR means click-through rate based on the amount of impressions. So it's clicks divided by impressions. Average position is 31.8, which is absolutely terrible, but this is taking into account all of my pages that I have on the website. So my About Us page is not going to be showing up very high. You know what I'm saying? So we can see that car detailing North Vancouver was the best search query with 580 impressions, 13 clicks, and it just goes down the list there. You can see pages. We have my home page was the most by far because I don't know, it's just listed everywhere, usually the Google business listing, etc. And then it just slowly goes down. Countries only in Canada, of course. I don't know how people in the United States are seeing this. Maybe I'm just that popular. I'm just that guy. But mobile and desktop, you can see search appearance doesn't matter, dates doesn't matter. But if we go down to pages, indexed pages means they are ranking on Google and they're able to rank on Google. Not indexed means they are not indexed. They're not like in the book of Google. And it doesn't really matter that your pages aren't being indexed. Usually, this is pages that just don't matter. So view data about these. Like these are the ones that matter. So my homepage, my service pages, and reviews, exterior, interior, exterior. Very simple. Sitemap doesn't matter for now. It's more of an advanced kind of thingamabob. But yeah, this is just the insights. We can do last 3 months. We'll do last 12 months. How about that? You get a good gist for how I'm doing. So yeah, as you can see, it's doing pretty good. There's a big boost there. What year is this? 2023. Yeah, I didn't really start doing this for a while, but when it really kicked off, boom. This is kind of like you're just setting up, okay, you're posting the updates on the Google listing, you're gathering some reviews, and then it'll just spike once you slowly put in the work. This isn't going to happen overnight, but you slowly put in the work and then you'll start to see the numbers popping off. This summer is going to be absolutely crazy for me, as you can probably see. But yeah, so how do we do this? How do we get results like this for the website? Let's come over here. This is the website. It's very simple website. I'll move this out of the way because we're going to be doing some crazy stuff here. Um, First things first, when you're designing your website, this section right here has to have your keywords in it for sure. For sure. Premium mobile car detailing North Vancouver. Okay, that's 5 keywords just in this H1. It's called H1 heading 1 on the web page. And then this bonus thing is just for the people. We strive to make your experience easy and simple with 100% satisfaction. And this isn't a guarantee, but I'm striving for 100% satisfaction. Judging by my Google reviews, everybody's satisfied. Sure, there's been a couple people that don't understand, but yeah. I haven't made any renditions to this website since, so this looks really bad. I would not copy me for design services based on this site. I do have some other sites, but yeah, just very simple stuff. Has some of the reviews. This is a good section for text because you want some good text on your home page, just so Google can scan it. There's actually stuff going on. So in this case, Lucas is a partner, quick and efficient, cleaning the interior of my car. It's just like full of keywords, and people are actually typing it out. It's not AI garbage. It's just um, like good quality text with organically placed keywords. That's what all Google wants. And your expertise really helps. So in this case, Google knows my name is Lucas and they know that it's a car detailing business. If Google sees, oh, Lucas is mentioned a lot and his expertise are being complemented through the site, they'll give your website more authority equals more domain authority to rank higher. It's kind of crazy, but that's what it is. Okay. Or from my experience anyway. I'm not an absolute wizard, but I'm like a pseudo genie. Okay. Like if you, it's like a little sure the little like the little pouring thing that the genie pops out of. It's a little rusty, but you know if you buff it up with your polisher with your DA polisher and some light compound on there, maybe a heavy to medium pad, like I'll pop out and I'll be a genie. Okay, so yeah, that's that page. Very simple. We just want people to book. So they have contact us and book, same shit. You click book. As you can see, closed for the winter. This whole time I've been farming emails so I can retarget these people with an email campaign and just immediately book like 2 weeks worth of jobs when I move back to North Van, or not even move back, but when I go back there and start working again, I am going to call these people, okay, email them because I didn't grab the number because it's very simple form here. But I have a huge client list from before and all these emails. Very easy. If you want a video on that, on how I'm structuring my like reactivation email, and how many like clients I get booked through that, drop a comment below, like the video, subscribe, all that jazz. Say what's up, tell me what your name is. We'll have a chat in the comments. But I'll show you how to do that if you have a database as well and you're trying to reactivate your customers to make some more money. It's a lot easier to resell to the people who have previously bought from you than to sell to new customers. So this is awesome. But detailing service wise, you're probably wondering like, okay, sure, this guy looks pretty good and he's ranking high. How is he doing this? So on this page, for example, I have so much information on the services, but it's very clean and simple. People only see what they want to see. So if you go here and okay, they scroll down, we'll even go in mobile view. How about that? So this is what they see. They see what we just talked about. They scroll down. They don't want to be scrolling for ages and what the heck's going on. They want to see, okay, my main focus. Picture a 3-year-old. Picture a 3-year-old coming to your website. They're like, I need my car cleaned. What do I need? Oh, the interior of my car is dirty. I'm a dickhead and I take my car to the car wash. I don't need this guy to clean the exterior of my car. I only want him to clean all the dog hair out of my car, okay? Interior only. They see, okay, this first service, basic interior detail. It's a bronze thing. He probably has a more expensive more thorough interior service. But let me just see what this is about. Brief description of what this package is, what it does include, and what it does not include. Carpet shampoo or stain removal is not included, but it will still leave your car looking and feeling like new. More light. They can either book now if they don't care about what's included, or they can click and it'll have text with a detailed thing of what's going on. There's also what is the price. Sorry for you guys that are trying to farm out what my prices are. I don't even care if you know, but it's different for everybody. I never put my prices on here because each person has a different situation. Like I've had people where the back window of their car was broken and there was a bunch of glass in their car and they got a basic interior. Like I do not put prices on my website. If they want an add-on like carpet and seat shampoo, sure, the add-ons are there, but you're getting a custom quote and then this fee is getting added on to this package. You feel me? So, and then they have like a little book now button. How's the service work? Because it's mobile, some people want to know. I bet if you're a shop, you should have a section like this as well. Whether it's like, oh, you drop off your car, you come and pick it up, or you drop it off, we'll drive it back to you. Or in my case, I don't run a generator or a water tank anymore. It was just like too many problems, and I just like usually the customer has water and power. So uh, I require water and power. I supply extension cord and hose. Pricing is starting at book now. I'll get back to you. Premium, same thing. I have the service areas and everything in the footer, Instagram, Facebook, by appointment only, boom, boom, boom. And then usually there's a contact form there. So in this case, there's a description. Why can't I scroll? I don't know. In this case, there's a description and what's going on with the service. And Google likes the text, so I put a lot of text in the description of what's going on. Same thing for each of these pages. Boom, boom, boom. Basic exterior, premium exterior, what's included, price, premium services. Lots of text on this page here, folks. So if I'm selling something and it requires a more in-depth description, I want people to know what's up. So one-step polish, two-step polish, CSL. I have this. I still use it sometimes. Um, funny, I actually was running some ads for the my like detailing agency, and I was like pouring this stuff. You guys might actually see it if you see it in your Instagram or Facebook feed. Um, I would like pour this on like a little Hot Wheels car. I thought it was kind of funny. But sometimes I use EXO as well as a topper for the CSL, but no genie. I'm not 3M certified or what is that? What is that? CarPro scammers is just a marketing company, I'm telling you. But I like Fine Lab. Fine Lab's pretty good. Um, but yeah, it's just a bunch of text with keywords. Text with keywords displaying my expertise with the services, and then it has a book now. After every service, there's a book now. If there's like on mobile, they'll see book now, boom, book now, boom. And I kind of structure the packages like how cool the service is with a visual component. Yeah, but this is a very simple site. It works for what it needs to be. And we'll jump into the back end of this so we can see all like the metadata and everything like that. Okay, so before we jump into the SEO for this site and everything, I'm just going to show you the actual website and stats. So we're going to go last 30 days here. Mind you, this is in February, kind of a slower season, but it is definitely coming up. Before we go into the metadata and all the SEO stuff, I'm just going to go, let's see, last year, just so we can get a nice ballpark view of what the heck's going on. So I was getting like 400 visits at my peak a month, and 3.5 visits total, 8.5 page views, unique visitors bounce rate, traffic sources. Look at that. Search from Google. Majority of the traffic from Google. Okay. Direct. It's the same thing. This is basically from, if you see this, it's from the Google business listing. They just click the link, so it's direct, but search and this is almost the same thing, unless you have like, I don't know, some crazy refer system. But yeah, that's what it was. Keywords. I don't care about that. It's just like you don't really need that. You can just, oh, what the heck? Reconnect. Okay, well, if you have Squarespace, you can just link your oh my gosh, you can just link your search console to Squarespace. It's exactly the same thing. Um, and it just gives you more information with the keywords. We just looked at this, so I'm not going to go through it, but yeah, that's kind of cool. Geography, you can just see what's going on. Yeah, BC is where I'm at, and then North Vancouver is what I'm targeting, and then Vancouver maybe. So yeah, so yeah, you just know it works. Awesome, great. So if we go to websites and we click home and we click settings, this is going to be different for each website builder, but there should be an SEO area. So in this case, um, we'll go into general first. We're going to have the page title is going to be super important. In this case, it's just home because it's our home page. But if you had like our detailing services or something like that, or interior and exterior, you would put interior and exterior detailing or something similar, just so it gets that keyword in there. Um, Going into the SEO, this is the situation. So if you go marketing, I guess, if you go marketing, you have a site description, which is right here for me. Professional mobile auto detailing service in insert your location. Get your vehicle cleaned and detailed at your convenience without leaving your home or office. Simple. Um, then we have pages. Same thing, same thing. So I don't know why it's in this weird ass mode. I'm just gonna go back. But what? Here we go. So it'll have an SEO title. It'll have an SEO title. And again, like I just said, descriptor of what your page is about. And then usually you put an SEO description here. I'm not really trying to rank for this specific page, but if you were doing a full build out on your website, every single page would have this SEO description, SEO title. Um, and then you can hide the page from search results, but like, why would you do that? Social image. Okay, say for example, I just uploaded an image here and it's the North End Detailing logo. It'll just take a second for it to load, but it'll just pop up with this on the side. It'll be like Google listing and then logo on the side. Not crazy important, especially for this page. I don't really want to drive traffic to this page, but you do advanced. You don't need header code if you're using pixels and tracking pixels and things like that. If you really want to add a code there, you can, but I would just put it through a different section on the website. There's a pixel settings. But yeah, just page title, something SEO, whatever the page is. The slug, so that would be the end of your domain, and enable page, of course. And you just do that with all of the pages. So in this case, we have premium services, same thing, premium services, enable page, boom, 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 SEO, add description here. Just for an example, um, we'll add a description right here. Okay, 400 characters. If you are a little bit on the lazy side or you don't really know what to put here, I'm going to show you how to use AI um, to write it. Okay, so I know I was saying before that AI stuff doesn't really work. it kind of works, but it's just more quality if you sound like the text. Okay, if you talk like the text, it just works a lot better. So in this case, there's an extension here. It's called AIPRM Chat GPT Prompts. It is a Google Chrome extension, and it is awesome. You can see there's a lot of weird stuff going on. It does not look regular. Basically, what it is people build these huge ass prompts for ChatGPT, and then you just put a little prompt inside of it, and it just gives you everything. So in this case, we're gonna type in SEO. There's a whole bunch of like outrank articles. We'll get to that later if you're really thinking about it. But in this case, we're gonna go metadata. There we go. In like actual SEO terms, I know Squarespace makes it a little more user friendly, but it's called metadata. It's um, the SEO for your page, your specific page. So if we throw that over here for a second and we type in, what do we want? This is the premium services page. We're just going to go back over here, premium services. There's a lot of text. All we're going to do is copy the entire thing. And then we're going to go back over here. We selected the metadata, title, description, and keywords. We're going to type in, this is mobile auto detailing business in North Vancouver, called North Van Detailing. We're going to put that in quotes. And then here is the website, or the page content. And then little one of these, and then more quotes. You can do this for your page as well. Just copy everything, paste. It's going to be long, end quote, and then send message. I have GPT-4. You don't need GPT-4, but GPT-4 works really well with writing stuff. So in this case, it gave us a meta title. So that is the title for our page, North Van Detailing Premium Auto Detailing Services. So I'm going to copy that, go back over here, click page title, boom, and URL slug. And I don't like you would change it to maybe like premium auto detailing services, but I'm not going to do it right now. I think I have some links pointing to it, so I don't really want to do that right now. Usually you would. And then go over to SEO, page title. Yep. See how it says premium auto detailing services, North Van Detailing. Boom, boom, boom. Lots of keywords. And we're going to go back here. Meta description. Expert top-notch auto detailing North Vancouver with North Van Detailing. From paint correction to ceramic coatings, we bring your car's shine back. So this is pretty decent. As you can see, it is a little repetitive. And Squarespace here allows us to write 400 characters. And I can tell ChatGPT, because it knows what we just talked about, I'm going to say, make the meta description 400 characters. And it'll just write something longer just so I can fit in as much as possible. And it just makes it a little more free as far as everything goes. So discover unparalleled auto detailing at North Van Detailing in North Vancouver. Specializing in paint correction, ceramic coatings, we're dedicated to restoring your vehicle's brilliance. Our services range from blah, 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 talking about the page stuff because we gave it the context with everything from the page. So this is sick. Usually, I can't lie to you, that is incorrect. So we need minus 64 letters. ChatGPT has a thing where it says unparalleled, discover unparalleled. I hate that shit. I hate it. So I'm going to say North Van Detailing in North Vancouver. No, I'm just gonna say See, like AI, you have to edit it a bit, right? So North Van Detailing, North Van Detailing, comma, specializing in paint protection and ceramic coatings, is dedicated to restoring your vehicle's brilliance. Boom, first sentence, done. Our services range from one step to two step polish and G Technic ceramic coating. Yep, ceramic coating is keyword. Ensuring lasting protection and deep shine. Book now for top quality detailing that includes thorough cleaning, decontamination, finishing touches. Um, I don't care about trim restoration or tire shine, so we're gonna delete that and in another keyword, North Vancouver. Very simple. Sure, there's 16 characters left. You don't really have to squeeze out every little bit of juice, but yeah, I might even say no one's searching for the specific coating. I'm going to say mobile ceramic coating because that's a unique service that not a lot of people offer. A lot of mobile guys just don't know what's up. For the social image, we're just going to pop a little picture of a coating in there. I suggest you do, I don't know, maybe you doing the coding or something like that. This is just a picture I grabbed. Advanced, I don't care about the head tracker. Boom, save. That's basically how you do it. SEO for all your pages. That's all you need to do. You see, I'm still ranking #1 for the homepage. That's where I spend the majority of my SEO stuff on. Again, if you own a auto detailing shop and you sell either ceramic coatings or PPF, I do run a marketing agency that does specialize in lead generation for those two services. I'm going to be making a lot of content on how I do that for my current clients and how you can even do it yourself if you wanted to. But if you want more information on that, link in the description. And thank you all for watching. Leave a comment below, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.